إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay. Good morning once again, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Fine. Now, girls, do you know which day is there today?
Yes, sir, I know.
Which day is there today?
Sir, I know.
Yes, which day is there?
Today is Guru Purnima.
Okay. So, what is the meaning of Guru Purnima? In a simple language, it is whose days? Whose day?
It's Guru's day.
Hmm. Guru means what?
Teacher.
Okay. Teacher
Someone
means
who teaches.
teacher means only who teaches in the class.
No.
No.
When you go to madrasa, you are
Yes.
taught. When you go, don't speak in between. When you go to madrasa, you are taught. When you come to school, you are taught something. When you go at home, your mom or dad teaches you something. When you go outside, your brothers or sisters teaches you something. So everywhere in the life, you learn different lessons from different people, right?
Yes.
Okay. So everywhere, from everything you can learn some or the other thing, right? Anyone can be your guru, but it is just that you need to learn the positive lesson from that person. Okay. Now I'm going to present a beautiful thought. Let me share my screen, and then I will request Zoha to read that thought.
Okay, sir. Guru Purnima. A guru desires nothing from you except your well being and progress on the path.
Okay, who will explain me this thought? Very beautifully written. You know, students, when teachers scold you, teachers punishes you, teachers sometimes gives you homework or more homework. Sometimes it happens that teachers gives you more homework and your friend gets less homework. So these all are the roles of a guru. They know which thing is best for you. So a guru desires nothing from you except your well-being and progress on the path. Now say for an example, you started your studies, you will complete your studies. Throughout your studies in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th standard, 11th, 12th standard, college, first year, second year, third year, whatever you become, engineer, doctor, pilot, scientist, and you can even become an artist, you can become a teacher as well, whatever you become. after you grow up, are you going to give your money to your first, second, third standard teachers or college teachers or your parents? To whom are you going to give the money?
Parents.
So, this is what the thought means, that Guru does not expect anything except your well being. Means we teach you here in this standard, then you will go in the next standard. Our only aim is to teach you not only the bookish knowledge but also some extra knowledge other than the book, other than the curricular activities. We keep on teaching you. Say, for an example, if I am teaching you English, I will not only teach you what the story is about, I will teach you how to speak this word, how to speak English, how to question in English, how to talk in the online class, how to ask the questions. These are the extra things which are the part and the parcel of life which you need to know in all discipline. Discipline regarding how to walk, how to talk, about time. Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes it happens that you start crying. Oh, क्यों मेरे को ही क्यों डांटे सर, इसको क्यों नहीं? अरे गुरु है वो तो बेटा, वो तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. आप जब भी क्लास में आते हो, आपका नेम, सर नेम कुछ मालूम नहीं होता, तो आपके दुश्मन थोड़ी है. जब भी उनको लगा कि आपने गलत किया तो उन्होंने डांट दिया. जैसे आपके पेरेंट्स डांटते हैं ऐसे गुरु भी डांटते हैं. यस और नो?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever the teacher scolds you, whenever your parents scold you, whenever any elder scolds you, डांटते हैं, never take it negatively. Never. हमेशा ये सोचना, मेरे को डांटे, ओके, मैंने कुछ गलत किया है, सॉरी, आई विल improve myself. And then you see your progress really will grow up. Did you understand, students?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we understood. This is the sentence, correct sentence. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So, now let's come back to our topic. What have we done in the previous lecture? Yes, Muskan, you raised your hand.
Sir, in previous lecture we have played games about the subject and predicate.
I think I took the test.
Yes.
Which test?
Of subject and predicate.
Okay, fine. I did not take English test.
No, you don't take English test.
Okay. So students, today I am going to conduct English class test for the revision purpose. I know that I have not specifically given you question answers for poem 2, but for lesson 1 everything is over. So today I want to take a small class test. In this class test, one good thing is you can take the help of your book. Yes, you can take the help of your book. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready. Yes, sir. Ready.
sir.
So, please be ready with your rough notebook. Give the heading subject English. today's date. Then below that you can write class test. Once you are ready with the heading, just say yes sir and your name.
Yes, sir. Raujani Muskan.
Yes, sir. Tathir Fatima. Yes, sir.
People, please get ready.
Yes, sir. Multani Misbah.
Come on girls, be fast. Just to write the
Yes,
heading.
sir. Secretary.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to dictate the questions. There, I suppose I'm going to give you 4 or max 5 questions. You will have to just note down the questions, and then in the given time you will be writing the answers as we do it in the class test, right? Okay. So question number one, and girls, I will be dictating the question twice. So please make sure you listen to it very carefully. You note down the questions in the sequence and then quickly write the answers in the given time. Question number one. Where was where was the roller coaster, the roller coaster question mark. Where was the roller coaster question mark? And continue girls in the same question. After placing a question mark, continue. What was what was the the name of the roller coaster? Of means you know girls, right? OF. It is not off, it is of. What was the name of The roller coaster. What was the name of the roller coaster? This is question number 1. Question 2. What was what was the age of the age of what was the age of the narrator when when she sat in she sat in the roller coaster? When she sat in the roller coaster? Question mark. Question 3. Where was the where was the narrator sitting sitting in the roller coaster? Where was the narrator sitting in the roller coaster? Next question. Along with narrator, along with narrator, how many family members along with the narrator, how many family members were there were there in the Disneyland? In the Disneyland? Question mark. And continue after putting question mark. Who were they? Who, 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 WERE, were, THEY, they, question mark. So along with the narrator, how many family members were there? Question mark. Who were they? Question mark. Okay. Now girls, no one is going to speak anything because we have very less time. Keep your mic off and please start writing the answers. You have 7 minutes left. Please write the answers properly and check your answers, even the spellings. You have 5 minutes left. Write fast. If you have finished, just type the message. My work is done. No, you cannot type the answer. Okay, girls. Mm, Many of you have typed the message that you have finished the test. See, the questions, I may ask the question from the lesson. It is up to me. I may ask that question from which is given behind the textbook after the lesson. That's not your matter of concern. Your concern is just to read the lesson properly, understand the story. This is what I have been telling you since when we started this lesson. Because to understand the story is the basic thing, and the questions may come from anywhere in the textbook. You have to be prepared for the same. And that's what I asked you today. Like, the questions were very easy for those who have at least read the chapter once. It's not too difficult to understand. So, Alina, how was your test?
Sir, very nice.
Like, you got the answers for all the questions?
Yes,
What do you think? Your answers are correct?
I don't.
You're not sure about it.
Yes,
Okay. So, anyways, send your PDF file of the test, and whenever I'll just get time in, I'll just check your test.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Muskan, how was your test?
Very nice.
Great. So, girls, please send your PDF file as you are sending the homework daily. So, if possible, please check your answer from the textbook. If you don't have the textbook, I have given you the PDF file. Huh? So, please check your answers from that. So, when you check, you can put tick mark and cross mark, and after you finish checking, you can give the marks. Each question will be of 1 mark only, and then you can send it to me, your test which you have checked. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a beautiful
Bye, sir.
day.
Have a beautiful day.
Goodbye, sir. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, sir.
Bye, sir. Wonderful day.
One, sir. Sir left. Sir. 5 minutes. 4 minutes. Still left. Muskan.
Yes, Alicia. On my test, Rohan sir का sign